Hillbilly Asians, this is Matt, DjCross. We're at the auction.
Matt C.
Matt C.
That's my name.
DjCross, that's the new name for today's auction. We've got our programs and our pens.
Guess how much the suggested retail on this thing is?
How much?
Big guess.
$1,000?
$6,400.
64. You know what?
That's for one.
For one?
That's for one.
I'm going crazy. That's some crazy shit.
Look at that.
Damn.
Big money.
Big money.
All right,
let's go check out other stuff. DjCross.ca, we're at the auction. I'm going to show you all kinds of crazy stuff that they have there. Available here as we're vlogging.
The two, you know those two seats?
People buying up everything. That's a pretty cool painting. Going around with our program, seeing what we like here. Liquidation auctions, Hillbilly Asians, DjCross Mat. That's how we do it. So if you see anything you like, it's a pretty cool looking chandelier up there. Likes the leather stuff, but I like the camera equipment stuff. So we got a couple of cameras, tripods, soft boxes here. Interesting. Maybe I should bid on this, or maybe I won't. We'll see. Looking kind of interesting though, what we have here. DjCross.ca, we're at the auction now, having a little bit of pizza and snack, deciding what me and Matt are gonna buy. Having a good time. Now, we wrote down everything that we wanted to bid on. Go Canada, go. Leaving the auction. Hillbilly Asians.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Because of crack.
DJ Matt
crack
C,
deal.
DjCross. He's pissed off at me because I went out to have lunch and a couple of beers.
With a couple of crackheads.
I got love for all my people from the streets. I got compassion.
From the streets. Crackheads, man.
Signing out. Hillbilly Asians. My boy Matt right there. We're headed to the auction. I had to take a piss. If you don't have a washroom available, use a cherry can in the back. But you got to avoid all law enforcement because you might get a ticket. Hillbilly Asians. So Matt, we're at the auction. We won 2 lots?
3.
3 lots.
We'll show you what they are later.
Yep. Back. Here, Hillbilly Asians.
All these cushions.
Cushions?
All the baskets.
We won
Cushions, baskets, all of them.
We won the auction.
Look at this. Hundreds.
Shit, we're gonna open up an IKEA, bro.
25 bucks. Oh, look at this. It looks like a duvet.
Looks like a dog.
Present ourselves every time? No.
No.
Okay, show them what we got. Fabric care. Kit.
Fabric care.
$30 US.
USD, but we'll give you a deal.
How many of these you got? How many we got?
We got a lot.
Like 20?
20.
Look at it here. Take a shot. Look at them. All of them.
Shit. If y'all want a
much we
deal,
got?
leave a like, comment. We'll send it to you.
Guess how much we paid for it, guys?
We can't tell that.
Cheap.
Cheap.
We can tell.
If you pay for the shipping, we'll send it to you, and we'll give you 50% off.
Cheap. Show them all this bounty.
Look at that. All good stuff right here, man. Hillbilly Asians. That's how we do it. At the auction.
Oh yeah. There's leather care kits too.
Leather care.
Leather care
Y'all
kits.
want to take care of your leather? Leave a comment, subscribe to our channel. You know what? How do we do this? We're gonna do a little bit of a giveaway on our channel. We're gonna give away 5 of these.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
Okay, that's Matt then. You know what? Then we're out here. We're done. Cross.
Yeah.
We're back at the auction.
Grab our stuff.
Grab all our shit. Oh, we're going this way. Look at all the stuff we have here.
Yeah. Look at all the stuff we didn't win at the auction.
We didn't win, but we won bins.
Lots of bins.
Lots of bins.
Lots of goodies.
Yeah.
All right.
So we're back here.
This is the last of it.
It's the last of it.
Okay.
DjCross, we're headed from the auction. We got a full packed van.
Yeah, but no one could really see. Like, why are they gonna listen to us?
But we got a vintage store on top of this from 19 what?
I don't know, but like, no one's even seeing any of this shit. Right? You know what I'm saying?
You're gonna see it all. DjCross.ca and Matt, Hillbilly Asians. Coming back from the auction. Dog beds for days, cat beds for days.
Look at this material. This is like gourmet material.
That's the good shit here, man. Look at that. You can put it up against your
Look,
face.
this gonna be hard wearing material. This is awesome.
Yeah.
This is good for like a cat.
This is more for
Cat
cat.
bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if they feel the need, we got the good kneading stuff.
This is heavy duty.
Hillbilly Asians coming back from the auction. Look at all that good stuff in the back. We're out. Yo, my puppy. Y'all need this? Right here, we got this for you, my man. We're making dog beds. I think your dog will love it. Have a good day.